Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, today we're going to be looking at a Tesla Model 3 contactor, part number P1089-334-00-J. We're going to do a simple bench test on how to test these contactors. So there's two plugs. There's one here, and we're going to run continuity test. And right now, it's an open. So I just got the multimeter on the beep scale. And there, we have continuity. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to open it so you can see how it opens. Pretty simple. Flat blade screwdriver. I mean, it's just a bit, but you just pry to the side. Pretty simple to open. So, little lock tabs here, 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 here. Several lock tabs. So, this connector here is the one that charges or energizes the coil to make contact with this point and this point. This one here is like maybe for a sensor to let it know that it's getting contact. So as you see on the bottom, there's 2 points here. When this makes contact with this, it makes it a closed. Pretty simple. So once you're inside, this comes out. Just a standard, kind of like a coil, magnetic field coil. Here's your connections. Looks pretty clean. This one's used. It works perfect. There's no issues with it. You can see in there. Contacts are very clean. So it'll just energize here, and there's a little spring. So what we'll do is we'll power it up. I have these leads, just a regular 12-volt battery supply power. And it's hard to see down in here. All right, so we're going to make connection now. You guys can see how loud this thing is, first of all. Very loud. I'll try to get this to stay in here. It's hard to see in there. Give me a second. Alright, so now it's staying energized. So once it's energized, we got our voltmeter on, showing that it's got a closed connection. Open. I mean, very easy to bench test. Very simple. Let's do it again. I didn't have it on camera at the time. So this is the closed position. You can hear on my voltmeter. Very easy. There's two models of this. There's a there's one that's kind of like the case here. The case is like a clear or like an off-white color. This one, I believe, is the updated version, which is black. These were changed design. later on in the Teslas. Model 3 or Model S, I believe, too, has these. All the Teslas have these, just different designs, but the overall is the same. It's just how it is. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.